Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will presentation about information and analysis skill Esa's OS Windows 10. Members' name is Gibran Esa Aura, Indika Syahranu Putra, and Muhammad Farhan Aldisyah Putra. First, I want to tell definition operating system. An operating system or OS is a group of computer programs, including device, drivers, kernels, and other software that lets people interact with a computer. It manages computer hardware and software research. It provides common service for computer programs. An OS can be small like Minute OS or large like Microsoft Windows. Different operating systems can be used for different purposes. Some are used for everyday things like on a personal computer. Others are mobile operating systems or are used for specialist work. An operating system has many jobs. It makes sure that all the programs can use the CPU, system memory, display, input device, and other hardware. Some also give the user an interface to use a computer. An OS is also responsible for sending data to other computers or devices on a network. Some examples of commonly used operating systems are macOS, Linux, and Microsoft Windows. And then I want to tell about Windows 10. Windows 10 is a computer operating system by Microsoft as a part of its Microsoft Windows family of operating systems. It was known as Threshold when it was being developed and announced at a press event on 30 September 2014. It came out for PC on 29 July 2015. Beginning on that day, Windows 10 was available as a free upgrade for users running Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 for 1 year. And last, I want to tell about Windows 10 types of version. Windows 10 Home is meant for home use. It can be used on desktop, laptop, tablet, and 2-in-1 mix of tablet and laptop computers. Windows 10 Pro is meant more for business. It adds features on top of Windows 10 Home and is meant for advanced users. Windows 10 Pro for workstation is similar to Windows 10 Pro but is meant for workstation use. It allows more central processing units to be used at a time. Windows 10 Enterprise is meant for use in IT. It adds features on top of Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Education is meant for use in school, college, and universities. It is the same as Windows 10 Enterprise, but it doesn't include Cortana. Windows 10 Mobile is meant for mobile device. Okay, thank you.
For the slide 6, I will show you about Windows 10 feature. How to use Windows 10 feature. First, how to open the start menu. To open the start menu, you just drag your cursor to the left bottom corner and you will see the Windows logo here, and you click it and you will find the start menu. Next, how to locate your apps. You just click at the start menu again and you will see the apps on the right side. And if you want to customize it, just right click at the apps and then you will see unpin, resize, more, and uninstall. If you want to add the apps in the left side to the right side, just left click and then you can put the apps in there, and then you have so you don't have to search on the left side, and you just click on the right side. That's all. How to adjust size of menu. You just click at the start menu again, and then you drag your cursor to top corner, and then you will see these two rows, and you can out draw to make it larger, and you can in draw to make it smaller. It's up to you. Then slide 7, how to open the several running down option. How to open it? Just click the start menu, and then you will find the several running down option on the left side. This you can open your account, documents, picture, setting, or power button. Then how to open the setting. You just click start menu again, and then you will find the setting on the left bottom corner, and you click it, and you open the setting. That's all. And then how to personalize. To personalize, you just click the setting again, and you will find the personalization here. You click, and you can also personalize your own PC. You can customize your background, your colors, customize your lock screen, themes, fonts, start, and taskbar. And then how to personalize your start menu. Just click at the start menu, and then open setting, open personalization, and you will see start here, and you click it, and you will see the list if you want to on it or off it. The Windows sense is unique. We can use the start full screen or not. If you click on the start full screen, the start menu will show like this, like that. And then if you off it or disable it, you will see the start menu like that. And that's all for how to use the Windows feature. Thank you.
For slide 8, I would like to talk about the advantages of the Windows 10. There are some advantages such as the loading time, which is the loading time for the Windows 10 is much faster than the previous one, which is Windows 7. Then the stability and the performance of the Windows 10 is also way better, actually, way better than the previous. And the redesign UI mixes from the Windows 7 and Windows 8. So it's like they're mixing the Windows 8 and Windows 7 together in the Windows 10. It's because that the user from the Windows 7 knows how to use the Windows 10 properly. Like it's also like how they use the same way in Windows 7, and it is safer also to use the latest operating system, which is what I'm talking now, the Windows 10. Although it's also safer from the Windows 7 at present, and we don't know that the Microsoft will stop the operating system support like the Windows XP. They stopped that because they want to focus more on the future one. And For gaming also perfect because it has a DirectX 12 which guaranteed us a high frame rate, which is good for gaming. We know that, so there's no lagging like that, and better integration with the Windows Phone. Yes, so and in Windows 10, update Windows 10 with the button update will not damage or delete our file in the previous Windows 7. Alright, now I'm talking about the slide 9, which is the disadvantages of the Windows 10. The first one is your personal information or your privacy will be exposed to the Microsoft, which means other people can see your privacy or personal information. This reason is for that they want to have a better service and improvement. And second, upgrading to Windows 10 can lead to a system crash. And if this happens to your computer or PCs, it can take hours or maybe longer to solve the problem. And the third one is, as I was saying, upgrading to Windows 10 can lead to system crash. This is because that the computer we are using is an old computer. Upgrading sometimes could slow down the computer because the old computer have the outdated hardware, which is not enough to run the new system smoothly. So we have to get the new version of the laptop, or we have to get a laptop with the new version of the hardware, so it can run Windows 10 smoothly.
And for the slide 10, I will tell you about conclusion of the Esas. Windows 10 was a next generation of Windows 7 and 8 that have more modern features that make it easier to use and very helpful, and have much way to personalize your own PC. Thank you.
For the slide 11, I would like to suggest that if you're going to use Windows 10, don't use an old laptop. Why? It's because that in the old laptop, they only serve the outdated or the expiry hardware, which doesn't fit the Windows 10 hardware or system. And if you have laptop or PCs that have the outdated hardware, and if you fit the Windows 10 in your PC you're using or the expiry PCs you're using, your laptop can easily crash or broke itself because it doesn't fit the specification in your laptop. That's why Windows 10s are made in an era where the laptop have a high specification or high quality system, such as the ROG or the Alienware, which the laptop can take the Windows 10 system. This can sums up that the technologies nowadays are getting better and better.